Hello, in this video I want to show you how the background fix is working. What I'm gonna do is select one of the actions. In this case, I'm gonna select the number 2 and I'm gonna play it. I do select this image because I want to show you what you need to do when the selection is not exactly perfect. And this is a really good case. So all you need to do after playing the action is select a regular brush with black color, and in my case I'm gonna select 100% in opacity and flow, and I'm gonna be sure I'm painting inside the layer mask. As you can see, the layer mask is full white and you need to paint with black in places where you want to hide the things inside the group. So all you need to do is paint with black in places where you want to hide the content of the group. In this case, I also gonna paint with black around the shadow, and that's pretty all you need to do. In this case, I also need to paint with black around here, and maybe let me take a look of this before and after. Yes, sure, around these fingers as well. Okay, now we are good to go. Let's take a look to this before and after. And that's all. Now we have a perfect background, and it was pretty easy, I guess. So thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.